Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall compare.com app step by step clearly. To uninstall the compare.com app, start by locating the app icon on your device's home screen. Press and hold the compare.com app icon until a menu appears where the icons begin to wiggle. If a menu appears, select the option that says remove or uninstall. If the icons are wiggling, look for a small X or a minus sign in the corner of the app icon. Tap the X or minus sign to prompt the uninstallation process. A confirmation message will usually appear asking if you are sure you want to delete the app. Select delete or uninstall to confirm your choice. After confirming, the app will be uninstalled from your device. If you are using an Android device, go to your device's settings. Select Apps or Application Manager to view a list of installed apps. Scroll through the list and find the compare.com app. Tap on the app name to open its settings. Choose the option that says uninstall. Confirm the action by tapping OK or uninstall when prompted. For iOS devices, follow the same initial steps to find the app icon. If you want to uninstall from the settings instead, go to Settings and then General. Select iPhone Storage and scroll down to find the compare.com app. Tap on it and choose Delete App to confirm. After the uninstallation is complete, check that the app is no longer on your device. You have successfully uninstalled the compare.com app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.